when I went up to Elizabeth last weekend, I saw.
There, let's let the video. Now, see if I can see him.
Is it doing it now?
Yeah, but not good. You can't see. Oh, the sun's right behind. I can't see nothing.
Yeah. Yeah, that's.
It's better to take that camera off and look.
All right.
There's this silly thing. If anybody can get it to work. Oh, it's right in the sun.
What is that? What is that? There's traffic over there. Oh, is that what it is? Is there a highway over there? Well, probably a gravel road. No, you're fine. Got it? Okay, now do it one more time. Because there's one out there. Yeah, I see that. Yeah. See? Mm-hmm. And sometime years from now, you're going to go, what that is. I probably will. I know. I can't get rid of it. I'm sure it took it for nothing.
All right, man.
I got the one, but I don't have the group. Yes.
Did you get that one? So
No,
I can't even.
You probably can't see much on that. You just have to look at that screen there.
Yeah. Well, they're out there on there.
It's just not clear like when it took it off, are they?
No, but
And I can't get this thing to line up.
I never could get that one to work.
I can't get it to work.
It's kind of a. It's nice that they have it, but it doesn't work very well.
Yeah, well.
see, you can really see them moving in there.
Oh, you can see them good?
They're moving.
Oh, yeah, them darks.
Yeah.
See, that's a video. That way I don't have to touch it.
Yeah.
I'd like to get some, yeah.
Oh, ladies, we got it better.
Oh. Oh, there, look at that one.
It's not as good as
Oh,
yours.
yeah. Oh, yeah, that's pretty good.
That
You got it
is
on
pretty
video?
good.
Just leave it on video, and that way you won't shake it.
It's going to pick up all of our voices going, whoa, look at that.
You can take a few pictures and you kind of edit the picture, but I'm thinking you have to video. You might if you had
Carrie,
that
get over
software.
there.
I can't.
I'm sure I could do better if I knew how I was doing.
See, Kellerton used to have
I think I'll just take that off and watch it.
they call
Probably
it the
used
Prairie
to.
Chicken. They could call it the Prairie Chicken.
Open for a month every year.
Yeah.
Was stuck in my bumper.
I had that happen with
$900 later, because of the pheasant.
Was it alive when you took it out?
I was so mad. Oh, why didn't I take a picture?
I don't know.
I was so mad. I just grabbed it and threw it in the ditch and
Not yet.
called it a name. Yeah.
I'll bet you covered the name.
But then it was like I drove right through the repair shop.
Yeah?
Are they still going?
Yeah, but
Oh, yeah, there's a bunch of them there.
I counted 8 or 9.
Really?
Yeah.
I think there's 8 males and 1 female.
Yeah, probably. Something like that.
Well, no wonder the males are fighting.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's not very good odds, is it?
No, it's not.
Is it doing anything? It's awful hard to see, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
I just put it on video. I can take. I don't know.
Ah, they love
Every
that.
time I put that on there, it gets worse.
Yours is the best I've ever seen him through.
That, yeah.
These guys.
Uh-huh.
And it shakes. I wish it quit shaking. And that's the lowest power it goes, though, too. It's still shaking. That's, you can't keep it shake. It's not good.
Yeah.
Keep hearing them every now and again.
Yeah. When I went up to Elizabeth last weekend, I saw going. I bet there was 30 of them in a field. And then coming home, I saw a whole bunch of them in a field up there. So, is it turkey season yet?
Youth season starts tomorrow.
Oh, okay. With the Dunns or?
Yeah.
Need a weight on the front of this.
Huh?
I need a weight on.